The rise of eVTOL, quieter, greener, and accessible. A multitude of companies worldwide have dedicated themselves to the development of eVTOL aircraft. These aircraft hold the promise of quieter operations, affordability, and emissions-free travel, all while providing the ability to land right in the heart of bustling urban environments. Volocopter has confidently positioned itself for success. Anticipating approval from the European Aerospace Regulator, EASA, in the upcoming months, the Volocity aims to commence passenger operations in time for the Olympics. Christian Bauer, the chief financial officer of the German company, affirms, everything is ready and set to go for the middle of next year. Overcoming challenges, batteries and beyond. While significant progress has been made, the road ahead for Volocopter and its counterparts is not without hurdles. To truly thrive, these companies must demonstrate a viable market for their eVTOL aircraft. At the forefront of challenges lies battery technology. The weight and cost of batteries remain limiting factors, impacting the range and overall cost-effectiveness of eVTOL aircraft when compared to traditional modes of transportation such as helicopters, trains, and cars. The Volocity boasts a range of 22 miles, suitable for short intracity trips. However, when compared to the range of a helicopter, this distance pales in comparison. Powering progress, the path forward. Germany-based Lilium has similarly entered the fray with a larger eVTOL designed to accommodate up to 6 passengers. Diverging from traditional rotor-based designs, Lilium employs 30 electric jets capable of seamless transitions between vertical lift and forward flight. ESA certification for this innovative aircraft is projected for 2025. Building for the future, a marathon to profitability. Volocopter has embarked on its journey toward a future in the skies, underlined by innovation and bold ambition. As the company unveils its first assembly line in Germany, capable of producing up to 50 aircraft annually, its vision stretches even further. By the decade's end, Volocopter envisions annual production reaching an impressive 5,000 to 7,000 aircraft.